Hi, this is Polyban Teachers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you like this video. Hi, this is Polyban Teachers and I am Sagurika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another episode of Daily Dose. Today's Daily Dose will include Thought of the Day, vocabulary words with meanings, and news headlines or information about education. So stay tuned to my channel #Polyban Teachers. Thought of the day. Never stop learning. For when we stop learning, we stop growing. I repeat my thought. Never stop learning. For when we stop learning, we stop growing. 4 vocabulary words are appraise, apprise, apropos or apposite. Appraise is a verb which means assess the quality or value of or evaluate. Apprise is also a verb which means inform or notify. Apropos is a preposition which means with reference to or in connection with. Apposite is an adjective which means fitting or very appropriate. Now the next is news headlines or information about education. As I told you that I will be telling you or discussing with you more intricate details about National Education Policy 2020. So in this video also I will be telling you more about it. So today I will be telling you about the pedagogical structure or the school education structure as per the NEP 2020. So the earlier 10+2 system will now be replaced by 5+3+3+4 system. So starting with the foundation level, which includes the children from the age group of 3 to 8 years, students who are studying in the class from pre-primary to class 2, they are considered to be in this group, and in this group they will be taught through playway method. Subjects like moral values, art, shapes, colors, dance, music, games will be taught to them. Learning outcomes will be decided by the NCERT, which have to be achieved in the stipulated time. NCERT will also design and plan the curriculum and books for this level. Now moving to the next level, that is the preparatory level. Children from the age group of 8 to 11 years and who study from in the classes 3 to 5 will be considered in this group, and they will also be taught in a playway method, but along with the playway method, another method will be introduced to them, that is the experiential learning by doing. And in this, they will be taught through projects, field trips, tours, presentations and discussion. The next level is the middle level. This is also a period of 3 years in which the students of classes 6 to 8 and of age group 11 to 14 years will be considered. As this is a period of 3 years, so in this period more stress will be given to the skill education, and 3 language provision will be there, and apart from that coding will also be introduced. The last one in this category is the secondary level. This is a period of 4 years in which the students of classes 9 to 12 and of age group 15 to 18 years are considered. This is a period where there will be multidisciplinary stream available for the students. They can choose any subject, any stream of their own choice, and apart from that, experiential learning method will be practiced with them, that is learning by doing method, and also critical thinking is given importance. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is #PolyBandTeachers. I will come again with more information on new education policy 2020 in my next videos. Till then,